Namaste. Let's begin our practice today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly. And on your exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, transitioning into standing postures, exploring another cat-cow stretch variation. Place your hands to the seat of your chair and your feet below your hips. On your inhale, lift your heart forward and up, and on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, feeling your neck long, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, chest, shoulders, abdomen, spine, and legs. Release, moving into a spinal balance. Place your hands to the seat of your chair and your feet below your hips. Lift and extend your right leg parallel to the earth. When you're ready, reach your left arm forward, shoulder height. Breathe as you keep your spine in a neutral position, lengthening through the crown of your head and back through your tailbone. Make sure to keep your core engaged, cinching in all the way around your waist, working through the front, back, and sides of core. Adding on, inhale, reach and extend through your arm and leg. Exhale, draw opposite elbow to knee, rounding your spine, coiling your navel back. Continue flowing at your own pace, using your core to stabilize this movement. Release and repeat on the opposite side. With your core engaged, lift and extend your left leg parallel to the earth with your left knee pointing downwards. When you're ready, extend your right arm forward, shoulder height, reaching energetically through your fingertips. As you hold this position, keep your spine neutral, drawing your navel back, feeling the back of your neck long. Adding on, inhale, lengthen through your arm and leg. Exhale, draw opposite elbow to knee, rounding your spine, drawing your navel lightly in and up. Feeling this action awaken your deep core muscles. Release, return both hands to the chair and your feet below your hips. Place your left forearm to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift and extend your right leg to the sky. And on your exhale, draw your right knee in towards your right shoulder. Continue with this movement. As you lift and extend, squeeze and contract through your glutes, hips, and thighs. And as you draw your right knee in towards your shoulder, contract and flex through your right side body, working through your hip flexors and obliques. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this leg lift variation on the opposite side. Place your right forearm to the chair and your left hand to the chair for support. Inhale, lift and extend your left leg to the sky. And on your exhale, draw your left knee in towards your left shoulder. Continue moving at your own pace. With each inhale, lift and extend, squeezing and contracting through your glutes, hips, and thighs. And with each exhale, draw your left knee in towards your left shoulder, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques and hip flexors. Release and come to stand facing the seat of your chair, moving into a sun salutation variation. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lifting up and out of your waist. Exhale, place your hands to the seat of your chair and fold forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, lengthen your spine. Exhale, clasp your hands to the sides of your chair and step back into plank position. Inhale into upward facing dog pose. Lower your hips towards the seat of your chair as you lift through your heart. Exhale, lift your hips up and back into downward facing dog pose, pressing the tops of your thighs back, allowing gravity to lengthen your spine. Moving into a triangle pose variation, step your right foot forward beneath your chair and turn your left toes open slightly, keeping your right hand to the chair for support. When you're ready, reach your top arm to the sky as you continue to lengthen through both sides of your waist equally, keeping your core engaged, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms and legs while opening across your hips. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat triangle pose on the opposite side. Step your left foot forward and your right foot back with your left hand to the chair for support. When you're ready, reach your top arm to the sky as you continue to adjust your torso and pelvis over your legs in the same plane as your feet, while lengthening your tailbone towards your back heel. Release, transitioning into a high lunge variation. With your hands to the chair for support, step your right foot forward beneath your chair, aligning your front knee over your front ankle. Energize through your back leg as you lengthen your tailbone towards the earth, feeling a gentle stretch through the front of your left hip. Slowly release and transition into down dog. Step your feet back, hip width apart or slightly wider. Lift your hips up and back as you press your chest back towards your thighs. Repeating high lunge on the opposite side. With your hands to the chair for support, step your left foot forward beneath your chair, aligning your front knee over your front ankle. Keep your back leg active as you lengthen your tailbone towards the earth, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling a gentle stretch through the front of your right hip. Slowly release and step your feet back into down dog, pressing the tops of your thighs back, breathing wide into your side body. Stay connected to your breath as you release, moving into a half moon pose variation with your right foot below your right hip and your right hand in line with your right shoulder. Lift and extend your left leg parallel to the earth. When you're ready, reach your top arm to the sky. Continue actively engaging your core, rolling your left hip and outer right thigh back, taking your front body into your back body, opening across your hips. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Shift your weight into your left foot. Place your left hand to the chair for support in line with your left shoulder. Lift and extend your right leg parallel to the earth, opening across your hips. When you're ready, reach your top arm to the sky keeping your core engaged, stabilizing through your upper body. Release and step back into down dog, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Feeling unrushed, step your feet forward halfway. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back. Exhale, fold forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Stay connected to your breath as we transition into seated postures, coming to take a seat. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to revitalize and nourish your spine while releasing tension. Unwind and return to center, moving into a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly. And on your exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.